There just aren't any other conferences out there like this one. It's a one-of-a-kind experience for executives in wood products manufacturing. It's the EBC. We're keeping it small and intimate, and we go out to the best places in North America to relax and to focus. Really focusing on the most challenging issues crucial to success in today's manufacturing environment. Here, all of your needs are met and exceeded. Not only do we have an outstanding conference schedule filled with engaging and game-changing speakers, but much more as well. Delicious food and multiple networking opportunities also await you in this unique location. You will have an incredible one-on-one experience with your peers and speakers, the wood industry media, and supply-side executives. The EBC is where like-minded executives gather. They gather for the latest economic forecast for our industry, they gather to work together on common issues, and they gather to find logical solutions to manufacturing and marketing challenges. So, join us this November at the Broadmoor for the Executive Briefing Conference 2020.